Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MaddieLaura with another mukbang. So what am I eating today? Dairy Queen, of course, Dairy Queen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and let's hop into the video. So to start off with, I have a chicken tender basket, just chicken tenders, fries, bread, honey mustard sauce in here. And then I have some fall treats, of course, because we're keeping up with the fall videos, period. So I have, okay, hold on. Mine went blank. Okay, this is pumpkin peanut butter milkshake. Yes. And then this is pumpkin blizzard. They didn't give me a top, so that's why it looks like that. So don't even girl, what? They didn't give me a top, okay? To put napkins all around it just to keep it in the car because this came from JU and home. So yes, they did. It is really windy outside. I was like, what was that? It's too quiet for that. So yes, I'm gonna make sure I get this right. So if I say what this is again, then just don't. Okay, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna try the shake first. It's peanut butter, pumpkin spice. That is fall in 1 cup. It's really good. Oh wow, that just sunk. Pumpkin blizzard's really good. I would show it up close, but I'm gonna spill it, so nope. Love them both. Of course, I love that more. This is good too. Open up my basket and not ripping it. Madison would usually rip it. I rip everything. I'm so horrible. Okay, let's try to get it up close, I guess. Wow. That's what it looks like in the inside. I really hope you can see it because I can't see if you can see it, so yeah. You couldn't bear with me. Okay, I'm ripping this. I'm so hungry. Honey mustard. I want to say honey mustard is my favorite sauce. Favorite dipping sauce. I don't think I have a favorite dipping sauce. But I do usually get honey mustard. Sometimes I get barbecue. They gave me some ketchup. I have ketchup here if I want some for my fries. I like honey mustard. I like barbecue. I like Chick-fil-A sauce. I like zesty buffalo sauce from Chick-fil-A. What sauces do I like? I like queso. That's a sauce. Just listing all sauces. This is good because I had it before. I've had their basket. I mean, it's not anything new. Nothing new to me. That's new. Yum. Yikes. I'm gonna go get a plate. Be right back. Hold on, one more bite. back with a plate. I miss doing lazy all the time. Okay, this is so much better. Okay, there we go. That's a lot better. Now you can see the food. Imagine having to keep ripping up a box. Okay. Ooh, and I heat up the food just a little bit. Oh, this is gonna fry. Oh, good news. That dripped off really funny. That was weird, okay? I reached 1K on my first YouTube video. My JU video that I made 6 months ago. It reached 1K. Oh my gosh. So I was so excited to see that last night. Someone did a weird thing. Okay. That made me happy. That was really cool. It motivates me to keep pushing and keep thriving on here. So yeah. My stomach is starting to hurt. I don't understand why. That is not cute. Ooh. Anyone looking forward to anything like a birthday, anniversary, Halloween, Thanksgiving? Anyone like so ready for the holiday season, or if your birthday is coming up or an anniversary? My birthday's not until January, so, but I actually have 3 months. I mean, it's not that far away. I'm not really thinking about my birthday right now, but I know people think about their birthday and they're like ready for it. And all that jazz and sass. Looking forward to Halloween. Me and my boyfriend's costume should be here soon. I did order it in September on purpose, just because of, you know, mail. Looking forward to that. I feel like the closer Thanksgiving comes, the closer my semester ends. So, and finals week is something special. Okay. Something very special. So, I don't really want to rush into that, but I'm excited for Thanksgiving. Oh wow, she's thick. Wow. This is melting. I'm so sad they didn't have the apple one. That's the one that I wanted to get, the apple blizzard. But they didn't have that one. They just had the pumpkin one. But then they had this, and this is new, so it's like, that's fine. Better one than none. Better one than none. I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. Anywho, I didn't want to make this video too long. And they're melting. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you click the notification bell, subscribe. That's it. Sorry, I was super hungry, and that's why I dived in, didn't really talk that much. But I pretty much had a crazy week, but God is so good. So it turned out all right. Viva. One more time. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned for, if you haven't noticed, make sure you stay tuned for Tuesday. I'll have a hair video up. Tuesdays at 5 p.m. are my hair videos. And I'm not sure when my mukbangs will be, but this mukbang will be uploaded tomorrow, because tomorrow's Saturday. So I think I might be doing mukbangs on Saturday, because I like to eat out Fridays, so that makes sense for me. But yeah, and of course, all my fall videos, all that good stuff. I'm just so happy that I get to do YouTube, and I got out of my comfort zone, and I can't believe I'm getting close to being on YouTube for a year, and I have my first video at 1K. It pays off. It really does pay off. So if you're a small YouTuber like me, keep going, please. And everyone know that God loves you, love your body, love the people around you, and keep going. Whatever you do that you love to do, do that.